Hello, my gifted kiddos. It's Mrs. Robinson, and I'm so excited about our brand new school year together. So let me ask you, what do you know about balance? Probably a lot more than you think. And I have a brand new, very exciting unit of study to share with you this year. So whether you are online or in person, we will be learning a little bit more about balance and how we can find it in our lives and how we can keep those balances. Gifted's going to work a little bit differently this year. Whether you are online or in person, we will be doing 1 day a week gifted. So depending on what day of the week it is, you'll see me for the day and we will do our gifted activities. I've got lots of fun and interactive things for us to do, Nearpod lessons, live lessons, and even some activities that you'll do on your own. Those schedules will be posted soon. I will post to Canvas, and I will also send a dojo message to your parents, so keep an eye out. So hopefully this year we can learn a little bit more about balance and how we can keep the balance in our lives.